What's up, guys? So I have went out and purchased all of the best cleaning products known to man, as well as some of the home remedies for cleaning products. And we're gonna clean these rims, specifically the backside. So long story short, these are my old Texas Edition wheels that was on my 2006 Chevy Silverado. Had an super great opportunity for a trade deal for almost brand new 35s, so I did. And then come to find out a month later, the guy needed the money, so on and so forth, and I got my old rims right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off just gonna wet the wheel, see what water does against the brake dust, and we'll go from there. So it's not really doing too much. We're gonna go purple power and then so on and so forth all the way around the wheel, making a small streak, and I'll show you what each product does. So with purple power, you really wanna let it sit, and since this is on an incline, we're just gonna spray it for a little bit. So just a light scrub, let the brush do the work, and that's what it looks like with purple power. So it actually came out pretty good. Still a little bit of stuff closer to the front of the rim, but now we're gonna jump into Magic Black No Scrub. So apparently this is a no scrub wheel cleaner. It says spray and hose off with a water hose. So we're gonna let that sit on there for a little bit. 2 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 minutes. I've sprayed it like 5 more times. No scrubbing, because it says no scrub. So let's see what it does. Didn't do much. I'm gonna respray it and try to scrub this time. Also, for cleaning products, a lot of these guys put chemicals in there that make it smell really good, and honestly I feel like the worse the chemicals smells, like the worse your tire cleaner smells, the better it works, because this stuff smells great but it's not working. But we're gonna try to do what they said don't do and scrub it a little bit. All right, so as you remember, this was the purple power right here, and this section right here is the no scrub Magic Black. Not too hot, honestly. I don't think I'm gonna use that anymore. Next up is Eagle One aluminum wheel cleaner. These are aluminum wheels, so should work perfect. Wear eye protection, rubber gloves. Nah, we don't need that. Scrub thoroughly, clean with hose. Let it sit for 30 seconds. All right. So purple power, black magic, and then this spot. And we'll get in here a little bit too, since it's not as dirty right here with the Eagle One. All right. Copious amounts of spray. We're gonna let it sit 30 seconds and then see what it can do. 20 seconds, like the bottle said. Let's see what it does. Actually, we're gonna give it a little more spray, but it has been sitting for 20 seconds. See what she does. Yeah. So not too bad, guys. We got purple power, black magic, and now Eagle 1 about right here. So it's kind of contending with the Purple Power. Didn't do as well on the lip, but not too bad. Now we got Meguiars Detailer non-acidic wheel and tire cleaner. So this is the only thing I could find at the parts store for wheels. It's a wheel and tire combination, but we'll still try it out. It says on here, spray with cool water. We did that. Spray it on the tire or wheel, let it sit for 30 seconds. It doesn't say anything about scrubbing, but that didn't turn out so good the first time for the no scrub with the Black Magic, so we'll go ahead and give it a scrub. So not too bad. I think this is actually competing with the Purple Power that we did first. That is up here now. So we got Purple Power, Black Magic, Eagle 1, and now, well, Eagle 1 was like right here, and now the Meguiars. So it did actually a really great job because this brake dust was pretty thick throughout here. Up next we got Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner by Grit's Garage. So this is another product that just, it smells super good, so I actually have kind of low hopes for this, but who knows. It just says make sure wheels are cool to the touch prior to applying. Allow to sit for 3 to 5 minutes. That's a long time to wait around cleaning wheels. So it's been 3 to 5 minutes, let's scrub it. So not only did it do good, really good actually, I only let it set for like 10 seconds. So apparently this is supposed to sit to 3 to 5 minutes. I'm sure it'd have done a lot better if it got that sitting time. All right guys, so I've seen a bunch of people cleaning stuff with Coke, mostly rust. There's a little bit of like surface area rust on these wheels on the inside, but overall it's just brake dust. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna apply this, but I'll do my best. Might have to sit up the wheel. It's definitely fizzing up like it's doing something. See if I can scrub it before it falls off. So surprisingly, Coke does work. I guess it's just the acid within the drink or whatever is inside of a soda, but it did a little bit. It's not gonna lie. I wouldn't necessarily clean wheels with it, but it does work. All right, guys. So now we're applying baking soda and vinegar. I already applied the baking soda. Let's put some vinegar on here. So it's having some kind of reaction. I might have to put a little bit more. Let me turn the wheel up again. Copious amounts of baking soda. Wow. So with the, you ain't gonna be able to hear because people are blowing leaves everywhere. All right, so with the vinegar and baking soda, it actually turned out amazing. Sorry about the background noise. So this is the Purple Power. We made our way around the rim through all the products. This is the baking soda and vinegar. I barely let it sit on there and scrubbed it maybe maybe 5 seconds, and it did that well. So baking soda and vinegar. Guys, last but not least, Dawn dish soap. I know 90% of you have this in your kitchen sink, so let's see what it does. Also, super sorry about the background noise. Apparently it's today's leaf blowing day. All right, so it didn't do too hot. It can clean your dishes and clean ducts, but it can't clean wheels. So there you have it, folks. I'm gonna go through, look and see which one actually did the best, and we'll get right back to it. All right, guys, so we had to take a momentary break. These guys over here were out leaf blowing and stuff, and I didn't want to get them in their way. Also, I wanted my driveway leaf blowed. But anyways, experiment went great. So far the winner is between Purple Power, which is this section, and baking soda and vinegar. However, I do have this pad. I wasn't going to use this pad at all, but they're called Eraser Daddies, or Eraser Daddy. Looks like that. And essentially, all I did was just messing around on one of the other rims. Is just wet the pad, Eraser Daddy, and I very slowly started doing like this, messing around, and they actually work really freaking good. I'm sure this is like the magic eraser things that many of you have seen. So yeah, if you got a magic eraser or Eraser Daddy, they work pretty good as well. All right, guys, so I really appreciate you for watching. Essentially the winner was either Purple Power baking soda or Eraser Daddy. This is the example wheel. Purple Power is right here, baking soda right here, and, or excuse me, baking soda and vinegar right here. So see all the samples. Some of these did not work good at all. I will say Magic Black, don't buy that. Aluminum wheel cleaner, decent. This brand, don't buy it. Definitely don't buy Meguiars wheel detailer. I can't speak English. But this is the before, all crudded up. I haven't even sprayed this one in water yet, and this is pretty much the after. And yeah, I know it's still kind of grimy in here, but this is a daily driver. Not really too worried about that. Just wanted to get the back walls completely clean. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll freaking see you later.